If you are looking to learn how to install floor tiles like a true professional, this complete step-by-step guide will show you everything you need from start to finish. Whether you are a beginner with no prior experience or a skilled worker aiming to improve your technique, this video covers all the essential details to help you achieve perfect and long-lasting results. In this tutorial, you will discover the correct method to prepare the floor before tiling, including cleaning, leveling, and creating a solid base using cement and sand. Proper preparation is the key to a successful tile installation, and skipping this step can lead to cracks, uneven surfaces, and poor durability. That's why we focus on the foundation first to ensure a strong and stable surface. You will also learn how to mix tile adhesive correctly, apply it evenly, and place tiles with precision. We demonstrate how to align tiles properly, maintain consistent spacing, and avoid common mistakes that many beginners make. The video shows real working techniques that professionals use daily on job sites, making it easy for you to follow along and apply the same methods. In addition, we explain how to cut tiles accurately to fit edges, corners, and tight spaces. Cutting tiles the right way is essential for achieving a clean and professional finish. You will see practical tips for handling difficult areas and ensuring every piece fits perfectly in place. Another important part of this guide is leveling. We show you how to keep all tiles at the same height and prevent uneven surfaces using simple tools and effective techniques. A perfectly leveled floor not only looks better but also increases durability and safety. This video also includes finishing steps such as cleaning, checking alignment, and preparing the surface for grouting. These final touches are what make the difference between an average job and a high-quality professional finish. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear understanding of the entire floor tiling process, from preparation to final result. This method is suitable for different areas such as homes, terraces, bathrooms, and outdoor spaces. Make sure to watch the video until the end to see the full transformation and learn all the hidden tips that will help you save time, effort, and materials. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, liking the video, and sharing it with others who want to learn tile installation professionally. Your support helps us create more useful and high-quality content for you.